Hello again. I'm pleased to meet you once more. In today's video, we will learn about blocks in AutoCAD. What are the ways to create them, and how to create them in each method separately, step by step. Starting directly, use the block command. The most commonly used one allows you to create a block from the selected objects. 1. Run the command, block or block. The dialog box. Frame definition opens with a blank field. Or, in the Block tab, click on Create. In the Block Definition dialog box, we find Name. This field allows you to specify a unique name for the block. Choose a name that describes the contents. Block. Base point. This is the insertion point of the block. It determines where the block will be placed in your drawing when you insert it. You can pick a point in your drawing as the base point or specify coordinates manually. Select Objects. In this section, you can choose the objects you've selected to include in the block. You have two options. Convert to block. This option converts the selected objects into a block immediately. Retain. This option retains the original objects in your drawing after creating the block. Annotative. If you're working with annotative objects, checking this option ensures that the block scales appropriately when the annotation scale of the drawing is changed. Units we choose meters. Description where you can write the information about the block. Then click OK to create the block and saved in your drawing and can be inserted into other drawings as needed. If the content of this video is interesting for you, take a few seconds to share. I hope I've helped you, even just a little. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.